I have this bottom part meant for the microphone, and yes, I 3D printed a bunch of them. And if you wonder why I can get a bunch of things done quickly, I don't actually work outside of YouTube, even though I make zero off of YouTube. Everything all the filament I pay for out of my own pocket, and that I now am gonna close all that constantly because it would just get annoying. But of course, if I got paid, I would say it. But my nephew asked me to print this, and yes, as the series goes on, I'm gonna print more and more and more till this whole thing is fully done. And yes, I'm giving all basically a big chunk of it to my nephew. He's gonna assemble it, paint it, and that. I do stuff for him because frankly this is one thing I can at least do. Like, subscribe, and comment for more. Thank you for watching. See you next time.